Hello, what's up guys? Hey, so today we are going to do something special. We are going to do like some shopping with my friend here. You know, like people say, the best investors always invest in the right time. So right now, since everybody is having a hard time, I'm sure like stuff will be much more cheaper, right? So we are going to Shah Alam. Kita pergi Shah Alam hari ni untuk check out some BMW cars. Subscribe our video now at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the subscribe button, guys. You know, right now, if you have the money, it's the best time to invest into properties. You know, and also cheap cars, yes. If you have the cash, you're able to negotiate a lot of rooms because people desperately want to cash out, you know, right now. So today we're gonna go like shopping for cars and also have a look at a few properties and see what's the best deal that we can get. BMW showroom near Cup. Oh, look at all these cars. Dueling. Hey, we got another Mini here. Look at this Mini here. Chop มากนะนี่ chop มากนี่หลอดนี่สวยมาก damn beautiful, right? Damn sexy and hot. Z4 S Drive 30i M Sport. Oh, we are gonna go test drive, guys. One of the models that this guy here is interested. Right, so he's going to test drive, and we are still thinking whether we can squeeze the salesman to get 30% discount. Later we will ask him. But we're going to like go and test out the car first in Setia Alam or just around the neighborhood here, and we see how it goes. But I love the leather seats, all these functions here, you know. So we are going to test drive. We're waiting for the car to come. We are test drive. What car?
330i.
330i. Yeah.
So we just wait for it.
So I was talking with Elvis, right, about why BMW and why not Mercedes-Benz, because I think Mercedes-Benz actually generate a lot of young people now. They prefer Mercedes-Benz.
Yeah, that's true.
But why you don't like Mercedes-Benz?
Because you have to pay for the maintenance.
Oh, same if you walk into Benz showroom,
BM, you don't need to pay for the maintenance. You only wear and tear like tires and brake pads.
I think they are giving some good package for service. If you are looking for services, they basically cover like a few years. I don't know.
Yeah, 5 years.
5 years, guys. 5 tahun untuk they cover all these services. Brake pad maybe not lah.
Brake pad not.
Yeah. So actually our goal here to come here is actually to get up to 40% discount.
Okay.
From the price. so we are trying actually to get like up to 40%.
That's a bit very hard.
We don't know. What's the max you can go? 20% off. I don't know. During this COVID season.
That's per normal actually.
Actually, normal.
Maybe on our demo cars. What's the difference? 60 years.
Test driving, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, it actually feels a bit bumpy. She feels a bit bumpy. Just like
But quite nice also. The suspension.
quite nice, huh? Probably a bit like mini.
Yeah, probably.
The feel.
It's a firm, I would say.
Firm suspension. Yeah. Which is nice. The same like my car, you know, mini.
Why
There's
also
a very hard suspension.
One more, just go straight.
The sport mode, I just press on it.
Yeah, you just press anytime when you like, when you are ready, you just press and then it will change instantly.
So switching now.
Sport dynamic.
More stiff. Really?
More power. Oh, responsive, very good.
Yeah, it's very, very good. BMW, they always about the performance, driving feels, driving experience.
Yeah.
So that's why we are very, very focused in terms of if you're talking about the handlings and drivings. Mercedes, they always about the safety, comfort, right, and also the high-tech features. I would say that I have to agree with you that Mercedes might turn left. Mercedes might have a better infotainment system inside the cockpit compared to the BMW, right? But the pleasure of driving is not compared to the BMW. So you have to
delay when you accelerate.
Not very responsive. Sorry, Elvis.
Here.
Sorry.
Okay, no problem.
Alright.
No cars. Oh, there's a Benz showroom here too.
Yeah. So it's much more easier for you even
For comparison,
yeah, comparison and everything.
How do you compare all? CLA, GLA, A class, C.
Hey, it's good before you make your purchase, right? Of course, you need to test every single thing. Right?
But of course, C class is using M-matic upside suspension.
Yeah,
but the rest of it, nothing special.
As I said, it depends on what type of car that you want to try. If you like something like very safety, I mean talking about very comfy, and then very high, I mean latest in terms of the infotainment system, yeah, Mercedes is one. But if you kind of person who love, enjoy driving, you know, BMW is the answer.
Simple and nice.
Simple and nice. There's always. So of course you cannot blame the car. We have to ask ourselves actually what type of car they want to drive.
Yeah. Right.
So how do you feel, Elvis, after the test drive?
I feel the suspension is quite stiff lah. But
Quite
so
stiff,
far,
But-
handling okay. Handling is quite good. How about you?
I don't know, I'm not driving, I just sit there.
Yeah, as a passenger, it's very
I
comfy or not?
feel it. The feeling gives me a bit of Mini Cooper, you know, the bumpy kind of feeling. It's like a go-kart, but this is like a sedan lah.
Yeah, this is sedan.
This is a sedan lah.
But in terms of pricing, this one will be cheaper a bit.
Yeah, pricing is. I actually think the pricing is reasonable. But you know, in China, right? You know, people always like I have China friends. They tell me, those people will just suddenly just get rich. They will buy BMW.
Yes.
So I think I won't buy BMW. But I always like
BMW. Because of the maintenance.
maintenance.
Yeah, maintenance. You save a lot for 5 years.
Which is true if you are very cost conscious. Yeah.
You save a lot for 5 years. If you compare with Mas, you need to pay a lot every time you go for service.
So we are back after discussion with Mr. Rahmat, and he actually offered us a very steep discount. So I think we didn't manage to get our objective hit. We didn't manage to get like 30 to 40% down lower from the price. But we did get a very good steep discount. It's subject to approval from the banks, of course. So the final price, what do you think? The final price is about 240,000, but of course with low interest rates right now, I think probably the installments comes to about 2,007 a month lah. 2,007 a month lah. Which is something I can't afford, but I hope my friend Elvis, he will be able to make a good decision on this, you know. So thank you for watching this video.